slide. Cocozea, again, cacao with Ganoderma. Okay, there's a list of benefits of cacao for children. It's loaded. Probably 85% of the antioxidants are found majorly in cacao. Cacao is very rich in antioxidants, the highest probably, and that is why it's the child's best food. But unfortunately, cacao has been added with sugar to make chocolate. Okay, so if you tell the child, what do you like, chocolate? They say yes. Oh, do you like the sweet only sugar? They don't like the sugar only. They don't like the cacao only. But you give them together, they like it. But actually, they like it because of the cacao. Okay, but now here, Cocozea is a fantastic drink that you can make for your child. It's an instant drink. You just put that in hot water, or you can put it in milk if you want to. I would not suggest that. You can give it with water itself if you can develop that taste. This same has almost similar properties like coffee. It's a very good diuretic again. Now see, look at it. Okay, diuresis is the key. Diuresis is the key to your health. If your kidneys keep on working, you keep on living. The day your kidneys stop working, you start falling ill. Okay, that's the key. And we need something that gets our kidneys working always. And that's what our products do primarily. Okay, they maintain the health through your kidneys. Next slide. Okay, so Cocozea is a fantastic thing for kids. Next, okay. Yeah, DHC. So coffees, we have variety of them. You can choose your type according to your taste. This is a 2-in-1 coffee. Okay, Morinzi. Morinzi is basically made of Morinda citrifolia. It's a tropical fruit. Yeah.
Sorry, before you go there, the milk that they have in there is which kind of milk?
Soya, no? Is soya, no?
It's a vegetable creamer. It's from soya. Some are from.
But it's not those dried milk powder
It's
like.
not from milk. It's vegetable extract.
But it's soya.
Soya is also there. Some are from palm oil also.
Okay.
Because I ask it because the Ayurvedic medicine, they say that the soy, if you consume a lot of soya things, they damage your kidneys.
Who said?
In some reports, in the website,
Okay.
all this scientific information, but also the milk too, because they bring you more toxins. But
No,
I'm
for
not
me,
sure that I-
something, if you want to protect your kidney, let the urine flow. That's it. Kidneys can be protected if the flow is on. Okay, as soon as your flow gets low, it becomes acidic and you're passing urine after 4, 5 hours, 6 hours, you should be sure that your kidneys are on the verge of getting damaged. But if you're passing urine and it's flowing and flowing, it will never ever get damaged. That's the key, okay? Very, very important. And with cacao, with tea, with coffee, with Ganoderma, this is what we achieve, okay? And with spirulina, we achieve the nutrition part. With Morinzi, we do the other part. We take care of the intestinal flora, because here, this has got something like we see the prozeronine. These are the ingredients in Morinda citrifolia. They actually are like, you can say, the mason repairers of your body proteins. So the proteins, when they get damaged, Morinda citrifolia has the ability to repair your protein damage. Okay, so that is why it is very good for organs that are rich in protein, like your skin, your hair, because if they are getting damaged, it's very good for that. Actually your flora within your intestine. So people suffering from IBS, again, very good for them. It's very good for the heart also. It's amazing for the liver also. It can be helpful for people who want to have a de-addiction effect, like want to quit smoking, want to quit alcohol. This has got the amazing ability to do that, okay, by providing you with the nutrients. So again, a nice drink, you can give it to your kids also. Kids, it can help them with, usually kids suffer from worm infestations, so you need an anti-helminthic that actually helps them to maintain their flora. And here, Morinda citrifolia really works wonders for them. Okay, good, an amazing painkiller. Okay, so if you have any pain, before popping a painkiller, make sure you give a natural choice, So you can take at least 30 ml to 40 ml of this and take that. You'll see your pain actually reducing drastically, almost 60 to 80%. Plus, this is very good for, you can say, joint pains. So arthritis patients and all those things also, it can really help. It can act as an antipyretic. So you have high temperature, like you got fever, before popping another pill like a crocin or something to reduce your temperature, go on this, give around 50 ml of this or 40 ml of this, and you will see temperature drop down. Okay, so again you can use this as a healer. It was used in the Polynesian times as a complete thing to heal every condition. Okay, so amazing thing we have. Morinzi. Next. Okay, so we have another thing called DXN Myco Veggie. It's a combination of almost 23 herbs. Okay, with mushrooms loaded with spirulina, different types of mushrooms, the lion's mane, and it's so good for the fiber. And I told you, right, our gut is all about the bacteria. We want that bacteria to live longer. So you need these basic fiber, which we get from the psyllium husk that is there in Myco Veggie. So you can look at the kind of stuff that it has. It's got psyllium grain, it's got celery, mulberry leaf, noni leaf, ginkgo leaf, ginger, lemongrass, shiitake mushroom. This is a Lipophyllum mushroom, St. George's mushroom, lion's mane mushroom, elm mushroom, oyster mushroom, grey oyster mushroom, split gill mushroom, sweet corn, lime, orange, spirulina, green tea, then you have cinnamon, star anise. It's loaded with that, and that kind of fiber if you put every day in your gut, your gut flora is going to be really being well developed. So for people suffering from constipation or any gut complaints, you have an amazing supplement here that you can take. Okay, very, very nice. Next. So again we have personal care products. Okay, now soap. The chemical soap drain you of your oil of your body. Okay, and oil is very important for you, and we need a soap that has oil in it. So our Ganozi soap has oil in it. It doesn't dry up your skin. Now, how important is oil for your body? Your heart wouldn't pump without oil. Your lungs wouldn't move without oil. Your joints wouldn't move without oil. But if you take, I put oil in your hand and I ask you to take it off, what do you need to take it off? Soap. You understand? So even if you just go to a shower and use any soap and you apply that, what it is taken off of your body is your oil. Do that over a period of 40 years, what is going to happen? You're going to be without oil. Then suddenly if you have a cardiac problem or you have a joint problem, give it to yourself that the lifestyle you led is the result that you're having this problem. So what do you need to do? Change your soap. So simple it can be, but it needs to be done regularly. Getting your point? Okay, so soap is also very important. Next. I suggest people who have been living a life till now like the way they have been living, please massage yourself. Your body needs oil. Oil is the most important ingredient of your body. Like you have plants, they are basic, like we have blood, plants, their basic ingredient is oil through which it actually passes all the nutrients and everything. And here we have an oil, you can do an oil massage at least once a week, if not twice. And give yourself the body the oil that it has depleted over times of the lifestyle we have led. Okay, so massage it very good, especially if you don't want to massage the whole body. Give it to the end organs, that's your scalp. Do a massage onto your scalp, it goes in. Do it to your hands, it goes in. Do it to your feet, it goes in. Follow it up with a little hot water, you can dip your legs and feet, your hand with a towel dipped in hot water, just to, continue the process of better absorption, okay? Next. Toothpaste. I think we have the most wonderful toothpaste in the world. Yeah, nobody can beat this toothpaste. You all can endorse it, and I do definitely endorse it. It's amazing. There have been clinical studies done on this toothpaste, It's bitter, it's a little different in taste, but it really works in maintaining your mucosal flora in your mouth, okay? Yeah, next slide. So, I will end it up, but here, what I want to say is our products have a philosophy. I took a lot of time to tell you the philosophy, because after that, the products are very easy to understand, okay? It's very important that you hook on to these products, try these products, and experience a change yourself. Only then will you believe what you want to believe. And then can you share your belief, okay? So our category is totally different. We are into the natural wellness segment, and we are not here to compete or fight with doctors or pharmaceutical companies, but we are here to not compete with them, but to complete them. Because there are some parts they are incomplete, and we can fill those gaps. Getting a point? So you are now these representatives out here in London, and you can take this message to the people. Don't feel shy. Okay, talk to more people, experience it yourself. You keep on talking, that's your job. People listen to you is not your problem. Okay, so your job is to share what you believe, what you really believe, and then see the change, what it can do. And that will be an amazing contribution as individuals that you can do to the society, because we need everybody's support if you want to change the society to a healthy society. Okay? So thank you so much for listening. So now next will come Mr. Jijit. Yeah? Okay? So Jijit will tell you how to get products on discount. Yes? Or some money back?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's hear something about money from Jijit. And then we take the questions after Jijit, and then you can shoot questions to both of us, okay?
Okay. So, are you tired? Because you take Ganoderma. Good. Yeah. All right. So, thank you very much, Dr. Rajesh. That was an amazing. You know, you must have understood now by this time how good these products are. You know how essential it is for all of us to have it, to remain healthy and to prevent problems. One question here many people ask would be, how can I get this product cheaper or free? Is it expensive? I don't have money, but I still want to consume this product. You know, you encounter this kind of questions? Yeah, people want it free or at a lesser price. You know, good things or precious things don't come cheap. You know, diamond, can you get a cheaper diamond? Cheaper gold? No, gold has its own value, diamond has its own value. Same way, Ganoderma has its own value, all the products of DXN has its own value because it is multitasking. It is not just for curing or treating some diseases. So, because of the same reason, DXN has launched these products in a special system called direct selling system. So what is direct selling? Why did we launch? Let us see. You know, financial freedom. Is there anyone who does not like money? Don't want money? No money? I don't want money? No. Everybody wants money, right? Yes. Successful people know if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Very big statement it is. You know, if you don't make money while you sleep, you will work till you die. No other way. So you need to have an alternative source of income if you really want to live happily and safely. You know, now the situation in the whole world is not very stable. Sometimes people may lose their job. They need a supplementary income source. So if we had launched these products through normal marketing channel, like traditional system, supermarkets or pharmacies, most of the people would not have been able to consume these products. You know, because if you don't have money, you cannot consume. So that's the reason why Dr. Lim has launched these products through direct selling, where people consume and people recommend, and they get the opportunity to get this product at a discounted price or free, and if really they do it aggressively or a little seriously, they can generate, they can make money. So that is what direct selling system. So let us see what happens. You know, every day we buy a lot of things for our living. You know, dresses, food items, cosmetics, personal care, so many things from the supermarket. And 60% of that goes to marketing, distribution, and advertising. Only 40% or lesser goes to the manufacturer. So 60% every time we spend, we are wasting. We don't get any value for that. So what if we have an opportunity to get back this money? Will it be good? Yes, it's an interesting concept. If we have the opportunity to get back all the money, or 60% of the money that we spend every day on various things that we need everyday life. This is what direct selling is able to provide you. You know, this is how the channel. So what DXN is trying to do, remove these people in between and provide the money back to people who propagate the products. Because we don't need any of these people. DXN produces, DXN distribute, and DXN cultivate. Everything is done by DXN. Malaysia we produce, in UK we sell. We don't have anybody in between. There is no advertisement. Nothing is there. You know how you came to know about the product? Because somebody have told you, right? You go to a showroom, you want to buy something. The salesman recommends you something. You may not believe, or the advertisement you may not believe, but your close friend says, buy this one, it's very good, I am using it. You trust that one, or you trust the salesman? You trust your friend. And he gets something? No. You don't give anything to him, even the company does not give anything to your friend. But here, in this system, we give you something because you recommended the products to somebody. So this is how direct selling system works. All the money given back to you. So more and more food supplement, beverages, products you consume, you get the opportunity to get this product at a discounted price. Now, when we say direct selling or MLM, people have a misconception. They think, oh no, it's pyramid. It is, it's not a good system, because many companies have exploited this industry and brought bad name. So there are certain ways how you can identify a genuine company and non-genuine company. Let me give you a few examples, 4 points that you can check if the company that you are associated with is genuine or non-genuine. Genuine companies never always have quality products. Genuine direct selling companies always have quality products. Non-genuine companies do not have quality products. They may have some products, but just for the sake of having it. Okay? But here you can see in DXN, everything is revolving around the products, the quality products. Second, genuine companies don't ask you to overstock the inventory. But non-genuine pyramid schemes, they always ask you to buy a lot, though you don't want it. But here you see DXN just asks you 100 points. 100 points means it's nothing. For a family, at least 300 points you need. So we ask you to buy a minimum to make sure that you consume the products. Here everything works on consumption of the products, not on recruitment. Recruitment is only an entry. You have free membership here. You get bonus or you get benefits when you consume the products. So in genuine companies, they will never ask you to overstock the products. Third one, very small startup cost. Genuine companies don't ask you to spend a lot of money, invest a lot of money to join the program. Always small or nothing. Here in DXN you can get even free membership when you buy a DSP starter kit or an IOC program. But in other companies, they will ask you to put big money so that people make money by recruiting people. Recruitment should not give any money. Only when you consume the product, people should be able to get the income. The last one, fourth point, in genuine companies, your growth will be based on more people consuming the product. They will not be able to buy any position. By paying money, you cannot grow in DXN. You can grow in DXN only by making more people consume and build the business. Here, they can buy the positions. In non-genuine companies, pyramid companies, they are able to spend money and buy positions. Those companies will not last long. So if you know how to differentiate, you can convince the people. When they say all are same, you should be able to tell the people, no, all are not same. There are good, there are bad. How to understand which one is good and bad? Check these 4 points. 1, products. Good companies always have products. Bad companies do not have products. Good products, quality products will not be there. Second, the startup cost. Very less minimum startup cost. Third one, the inventory. They ask you to buy a lot of products to start the business. Now, fourth one, you cannot buy positions. You have to build the position by recruiting, by inviting genuine people, normal people, and they should build their business. Now, criteria for a perfect business through direct selling. Professor Charles W. King, he's a professor from Illinois University. As per him, what he says, for a perfect business which has a future, it should be huge, expanding, and global. It should be unique. The product should be unique. It should be consumable. It should be related to health. It should be marketed through leverage system or direct selling. If you look at DXN satisfies all these conditions. It is expanding. It's wellness products. It's unique. All these products are unique, consumable, related to health, marketed through direct selling. So the demand and the possibility to expand is unique, huge. Okay, as long as you can recruit or motivate more people to join and consume the products, your business can grow for long. What does DXN offer to you? Why should people become member? You can certainly do two things. Those who are not yet a member, they can just consume the products, become member and consume the product so that they get the product free. Second, when they find it is really working, they can start recruiting more people, recommending to more people, and when they also consume, they can get benefit from their consumption also. Somebody was telling me now why he started consuming the product, because he had gout. Somebody recommended, in 1 week time, he was relieved from the pain. So he felt it's good. The whole family started consuming. So he started to recommending to people. Yes? So, see, this is how the business works. Nobody comes, many of the people don't come to DXN to do the business. They come for the product. When they see it is working, they feel confident, they feel happy, then they start recommending to people. Can you tell me such a range of products which has got hidden potential to help people to relieve their health problems, still can offer you an opportunity to make money, an international business? So this is what DXN is offering to you. Opportunities, a lot of opportunities. Opportunities to have health, wealth, freedom, stable income, traveling opportunity, recognition, love, personal growth, social service, friends. Is there anything more that you want in your life? Can a company give you everything in one shot? If yes, it is DXN. No other company in my memory can offer you all these things in one single